See you brought your knives. I'll triple your salary. Copy said you needed the money. You want to come in here and make some real money on this cabinet? You're wasting your talent there. Sir. Go, Michelle. Go. Up on the floor. I said have enough food in. Take some notes. How many? 4. Tell me what else?
A gentleman is second advance look at the name.
Foi baleira.
A boxing was in the ball,
Yeah.